Containers and contents vocabulary, what's inside, dialogue and quiz.
Welcome back. Today we're learning how to talk about containers and contents. Watch the short dialogue, learn the vocabulary, and then try the quiz at the end. Let's dive in. Part 1. Dialogue.
Hey! Welcome back! Oh, you went to the supermarket. I can see a bag of groceries.
A bag? No, I have 3 bags. I may have overshopped a little.
3 bags? Oh wow, you bought many foods.
We say, a lot of food, not many foods. Food is uncountable.
Ah, yes, a lot of food. So what did you buy, the whole supermarket?
Okay, let me show you what I bought. Firstly, I bought a packet of biscuits. Because snacks are important.
A packet or a pack?
Both exist, but for biscuits we usually say, a packet of biscuits.
Okay, packet of biscuits? Good. What else?
And here is a can of cola. Just one. I'm trying to be healthy.
Ah, yes, sure, healthy. But do we say a can of cola, or a tin of cola?
A tin usually contains something we eat. For example, we say a tin of fruit, a tin of beans, etc. A can usually contains something we drink, such as a can of beer, or a can of cola. However, in American English, can also be used for some foods.
Ah, okay, useful information.
I also bought a bottle of olive oil because we ran out yesterday. And a bottle of apple juice.
Good thinking. A bottle from olive oil and from apple juice.
Almost. We say, a bottle of olive oil, and a bottle of apple juice, not from. We use off to show what's inside the container.
A bottle of olive oil and one of apple juice. Yes!
I also purchased a jar of strawberry jam.
I love strawberry jam. Very good for my morning toasts.
We usually say, toast. It is uncountable, not toasts.
Ah, toast. Only toast. Okay.
And then I got a bag of potatoes, a carton of milk, a box of cereal, a box of chocolates, a cartoon of orange juice, a tube of toothpaste, and a bunch of bananas.
Bunch? What is this?
It's a group of things, and we use the word bunch to talk about flowers, grapes, bananas, and keys.
Ah, a bunch of bananas. Got it. Wait, how did you carry all these? You are super strong, man.
Strong? No, just very hungry.
Fair enough. Let's put all the food, not foods, in the kitchen.
Perfect English.
And next time, maybe just one bag.
No promises.
Quiz time. Complete the phrases by choosing the correct option.
A box or a bag of groceries.
A bag of groceries.
A bottle or a carton of apple juice.
A bottle of apple juice.
A jar or a bottle of strawberry jam.
A jar of strawberry jam.
A box or a packet of chocolates.
A box of chocolates.
A box or a packet of crisps.
A packet of crisps.
A box or a bag of shopping.
A bag of shopping.
A carton or a bottle of water.
A bottle of water.
A tube or a packet of toothpaste.
A tube of toothpaste.
A tin or a can of cola.
A can of cola.
A tin or a can of fruit.
A tin of fruit.
A tin or a can of beer.
A can of beer.
A tin or a can of beans.
A tin of beans.
A packet or a box of spaghetti.
A packet of spaghetti.
A jug or a jar of water.
A jug of water.
A carton or a can of milk.
A carton of milk.
A bar or a tube of chocolate.
A bar of chocolate.
A bowl or a jug of sugar.
A bowl of sugar.
A box or a packet of matches.
A box of matches. Thanks for watching Enjoyable English Lab. Don't forget to like, comment and share.